My teeth were never going to be pretty. They were never going to be white. I was told that I would eventually need to have my teeth taken out by 40. And I lasted until my mid-50s. I did not want to go the denture route. I was at a panic state because your smile is your confidence. So you didn't smile because you didn't want someone to see your discolored teeth. My name is Shari, and I'm from Blue Springs, Missouri. I had previously lost a tooth, so I had a large gap in my mouth. My front tooth was sliding over, and I was so scared that I was going to just bite into something, and my front tooth was going to come out. My teeth were failing, and that was the point where I said, okay, Shari, enough is enough. You've got to do something now.
When I first met Shari, she still had her teeth, but she knew that they weren't in good shape. I could tell that dentures weren't really something she was interested in, and that we really had to come up with a solution for her that didn't involve something that came in and out.
The reason I chose to trust Dr. Jeff is immediately I could sense his sincerity, his honesty, and his want and desire to help. My experience with the team here, nothing short of coming home to your family. They're glad to see you, they champion you, they make you feel at ease. And that is so reassuring when you're going through a journey.
Her primary concerns were about, things coming in and out of her mouth and her bones starting to shrink away after her teeth are taken out. So we felt that the best option for her would be something fixed that she wouldn't have to take in and out.
When I first saw my new smile, the thought was, wow, pure joy, relief, accomplishment, pride. I have never had as many teeth in my mouth ever. I had some health concerns that I didn't know were tied to my teeth, and I probably wasted many years of good living. It was the best thing I could do for myself.
In her surgery, we were able to take out all of her teeth and replace them with permanent teeth the day after surgery. And it was a remarkable transformation where, I felt like Shari smiled for the first time since I had known her, and likely for the first time in years.
My name is Shari, and I love my TruSmile by Dr. Jeff at Odessa Family Dental.